Now in this question number 1. Yes, what is your answer here in question number 1? No, composer and symphony. And in the same way, now this fresco is to painter. Then coming to question number 2, 12 and 25. What is the relation between these two, 12 and 25? 12 into 2 plus 1. 27 into 2, 54 plus 1. 36 into 2, 72 plus 1. 19 into 2, 38 minus 1 is 37. Except in choice 4 in the remaining, first term into 2 plus 1 is the second term. Choice 4, question number 2. Then in the third one, now if you count the total number of elements, how many elements are there all together including blanks? 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 12. Now this 12 can be divided into 3 groups, each group consisting of 4 letters. Now the first letter is D, D, D. Now DRO is also DRO, DRO. Now DROP, DROP, DROP and so on. Hence the word drop is repeated for n number of times and the terms that is left over is RP, O, DP. RP, O, DP and it is given which choice? Choice 2. Question number 3 it is choice 2. Then fourth one, now in this 4, 12 and 24. Then tell me what is the difference between these elements here, 12 and 24? 12 plus 24 is 36. 24 plus 30, that means sum of these two numbers is the third number. 12 plus 24, the third number 36. And similarly 24 plus 36 is how much? 60. And 36 plus 60 is how much? 96. Now 60 plus 96, 156 and so on. Fibonacci series. Sum of the first two numbers equals to the third number. 12 plus 24, that is the third number 36. And second and the third number sum is the fourth number. Third and the fourth number sum is the fifth number and so on. And so 96 choice for question number 4. Then next one, question number 5. Tell me what is your answer in this case. Now in this case, question number 20. Now benevolence and from the given alternative. Yes, tell me what do you mean by this word? Benevolence, courtesy, indulgent and hindrance. Now except hindrance, the remaining 3 under comes under the same category or not? Now synonyms to each other. Benevolence, courtesy and indulgence are synonyms. And fifth it is choice 4. Then coming to question number 6. Now sixth one, any answer to this one? Now 234 is 20. Yes, so how can you express this 234 as 20 here? Now 2 plus 3, 5 into 4. Sum of the first two numbers product is 4. And 5 plus 3 into 7 is how much? 56. And sum of the first two digits is multiplied with the third number. And similarly 5 plus 3 is 8. 8 into 7 and it is 56. Choice to question number 6. The next one, seventh one. Now in this seventh it is based on letter series C and F. What is the first letter here? Plus 3. F and I plus 3. I plus 3 L. L plus 3 is what? O. First letters, the letters are deferred by plus 3. D and H plus 4. H and L plus 4. L plus 4 is P. Now P plus 4. Now 16 plus 4 is 20. 20th letter is T. And seventh one, choice for OT. Then 8. Now the Sailu and Rajita are sisters. Sailu is the sister of whom? Sister of Rajita. And as well as Rajita is the sister of Sailu. And Suma is the mother of Rajita. And Suma is the mother of these two persons, Sailu and Rajita. And Omkar is the son of Sailu. Now this Omkar is the son of Sailu. Then how is Omkar related to Suma? Suma's daughter's son. Daughter's son is grandson. Grandson, that is choice for question number 8. Done? Now Suma's daughter is Sailu. Sailu's son is Omkar, grandson. The next one, question number 9. Which one of the responses would be a meaningful order? Now in this meaningful order, what is the order we have? First, we need to diagnose, and once it has been diagnosed, then the operation will be done. Then after this operation, post-operational care will be taken care of, and finally that person would be discharged. Hence 1, 3, 2, 4, question number 9, choice 3. Then 10th one, any answer to this? Now question number 10. How much Japan allows? No. Now 8 into 5 is how much? 40. And 40 plus how much? Plus 8. And similarly 6 into 7 is how much? 6 into 7, 42. 42 plus 8. That means product of these two, 5 into 8 plus the middle number 2 into 4. And similarly 6 into 7 and the middle number, and here 8 into 4. 8 into 4 is how much? 32 plus the middle number 7. Not 2 into 7 should be added to this one. And so 32 plus 14. What is 32 plus 14? 46. Choice 3, question number 10. Then 11th one. Now in this 11th one, what is the angle between the two hands of a clock at 6:50? Now 6:50 here, H is what? H is 6 and M is 50. Now we need to find out the angle. Theta equals to 11 by 2m minus 30h. Under modulus, because time and angle can never be negative. Then 11 by 2 into 50 minus 30 into 6. Now 2 ones, 2 25s. 25 into 11, 275 minus 180. And 275 minus 180 is how much? 275 minus 180. The answer is 95. 95 degrees, that is choice 3, question number 11. Done with this, angle between the two hands of a clock is minus 30h, and under modulus, because time and angle can never be negative. And in the same way, if you substitute in this formula, you will get 95 degrees. Angle between the two hands is 95 degrees, 11th one. Then coming to this 12, now in a row of children, Naik is 11th from the left. Now what is the position of Naik here? 11th from the left means there are 10 persons to the left hand side of Naik. And Mukesh is 17th from the right. Now this Mukesh is 17th from the right means 16 persons to the right hand side of Mukesh. And if they interchange their person, that means Naik has come to this place, then Naik will be 14th from the left hand side. Earlier this Naik is 11th, now this person has become 14, that means Naik has come to the place of Mukesh. And again, Mukesh is 14th from the left. Mukesh is 14th from the left, 10 plus 1, 11, 12, 13 and 14. Saripena? Now Naik has reached to the place of Mukesh. Now Mukesh is 14th from the left. Then find the new position of Mukesh from the right hand side. Mukesh ekkadiki vastadu cheppandi, ikkadike kada vachadu. And position of Mukesh from the right hand side, 16 plus 1, 17, 18, 19, 20. And position of Mukesh from the right hand side is 20. 20, that is choice 2, question number 12. Then 13th one, in a certain code language, the word temple is written as the word temple. Now TEMPLE. Now in this word temple, what is the code? CVNOCN. CVNOCN. Now T and V. Now T plus 2 is V, E minus 2 is C. Saripotunda plus 2 minus 2. M plus 2 N O and P minus 2 is N. L plus 2, E minus 2. Plus 2 minus 2, plus 2 minus 2, plus 2 minus 2, then interchange. Then in the same way, and to this word church, CHURCH, and C plus 2 is E, H minus 2 is F. U plus 2 is W, R minus 2 is P. And C plus 2 is E, H minus 2 is F, F, E, P, W, F, E, P, W, F, E, choice 3, question number 13. Then 14th one, now it is based on comparisons here. A is more powerful than whom? A is more powerful than B, can be written like this. B is not as powerful as C. B is not as powerful as C means now C is more powerful than B. The relation between A and C is not given. C is more powerful than whom? C is more powerful than D, but not as powerful as A. Hence A is more powerful than this one. Then who is the most powerful among them? Now among these 4 persons, B cannot be the powerful, most powerful, because A is ahead of this one. And at the same time, and C cannot be the most powerful, D cannot be the most powerful, isn't it? Hence B, C, D cannot be the most powerful. Now who is most powerful here? A. A, that is choice for question number 14. Then 15th one, some of the belt or what? Ties. Some belt or ties can be written like this. Now these are the belt that are ties, and no tie is a ribbon. No intersection between tie and a ribbon. And all these badges are belt. Now this is a belt, and all these badges, all badges are belt. Then some ribbons are belt. Ribbon is here, belt is here, no intersection between these two. All badges are belt. Now all badges are belt, isn't it? As it is given, all badges are belt. Hence, what is your answer? Only 2 follows. All badges are belt. As it is given in the above statement. Pi statement ichcharu kabatti ikkada ichchina conclusion true ayinda leda diagram nunchi. True avutunda leda? Ikkada badge ekkada undi, ikkada belt ekkada undi. Hence, all badges are belt is always true. Clear? Hence, reiteration of the above statement is always true. Reiteration of the above statement means whatever given in the statement, the same statement it is given like this, then it will be definitely true. Done with this? Hence, only 1 follows 15. Then 16th one. Now in this question number 16, now ratification which cannot be formed or not. Now we need to find out the word that cannot be formed, fiction. F-I-C-T-I-O-N. Yes, it can be formed. Next one, caution, C-A-U. U is not there, hence this word cannot be formed. Choice to question number 16. Then 17th one, roses are yellow means so and so. Then what will the code for white? Now we need to find out the code for white. White flowers undi. Avuna kada? White flowers undi kabatti if you compare these two. Flower, roses are yellow. R is the word that is common between these two. Avuna kada? First and the second. And if R is common here, and anything else apart from this one common, white and flowers undi. And flowers దేంట్లో కామన్గా ఉంది చెప్పండి. అండ్ సెకండ్ అండ్ ద థర్డ్లో ఈ దీంట్లో ఫ్లవర్స్ ఉంది, దీంట్లో ఫ్లవర్స్ ఉంది. అవును కదా? ఫ్లవర్స్ అనే వర్డ్ కామన్గా ఉంది. వాట్ ఈస్ ద కోడ్ దట్ ఈస్ కామన్ హియర్? డిఐసి ఈజ్ కామన్. అండ్ ద కోడ్ ఫర్ ఫ్లవర్స్ ఈజ్ డిఐసి. ఫ్లవర్స్ డిఐసి అయితే వైట్ ఏమవ్వాలి చెప్పండి? వైట్ ఈజ్ ఎన్ఐఎల్. ఎన్ఐఎల్ దట్ ఈస్ చాయిస్ 1, క్వశ్చన్ నెంబర్ 17. Then 18th one. Arun started from his house, goes 7 kilometers towards east. This is the starting point. From here, first he travels 7 kilometers, then turns to his right and travels for 24 kilometers. What is the shortest between these two? Now we need to find out the shortest distance. 24 square plus 7 square is nothing but 25 kilometers. Now 24 is how much? 576 square, and 7 square is 49. Sum of these two is 625. And square root of 625 is 25, that is choice 3, 18th one. Then coming to this 19, and Tina reached the office before Dev. Now this Tina reached before whom? Before Dev, but Tina reached after Loki. We reached the office before Tina. Now this we reached before Tina, isn't it? We reached the office before Tina, but after Kiran. But after Kiran reached the office. Loki reached the office just after Veer. Now Loki just after Veer kapatti, where should this Loki? Loki is here. If Loki is here, LTD must be in this order. And who reached the office last? D reached the office last. And D, and it is given Dev, choice 2. Done? 19th one. Then coming to question number 20. Now in this one, 8, 9 and 7. As tell me what is your answer in this case? Now 8 and 7, then how to represent this one? 8 into 9. What is 8 into 9 here? 8 into 9 is 72 plus, and 8 into 9 72, then 9 and 4. Make it 8 and 2. How can you express this one? And 8 into 2 is 16, and 8 square plus 2 square. And are you getting any answer here? Now here 8 square and 64. And what is 2 square? 2 square or 2 cube? now 2 square. Now in this one 9 square anta cheppana 81 vastundi. And next plus 4 square if you observe here 16. 81 plus 16 97 plus how much? Plus 9 plus 4. సరిపోతుందండి ఇది. And in the same way 8 square plus 2 square plus 8 plus 2. 8 plus 2 ఎంత చెప్పండి? 8 plus 2 is 10. 8 plus 2 is 10. 64 plus 4 68 plus 10 78. And in the same way 9 square plus 4 square plus 9 plus 4. 7 square plus 1 square. What is 7 square? 7 square is 49 and 1 square is 1 plus 7 plus 1. 7 plus 1 is 8 and 50 plus 8, 58 is the answer. Sum of the squares of these two plus sum of these two. 58 choice for question number 20. The next one. 21st. Now in this question number 21, now this figure has been folded. Now first paper folded and then it has been cut here. మా ఇక్కడ నుంచి ఇక్కడ ఫోల్డ్ అయ్యి కట్ అయింది కనుక మనం ఓపెన్ చేసినప్పుడు ఇక్కడ నుంచి ఇక్కడ ఓపెన్ అవ్వాలి. ఇక్కడ నుంచి ఇక్కడ ఓపెన్ అయినప్పుడు ఇది ఏమైపోయింది చెప్పండి. నో దిస్ ద సేమ్ నో దిస్ రెక్టాంగిల్ విల్ బి హియర్. ఇది మనకి ఇక్కడ రైట్ హ్యాండ్ సైడ్ ఉంది కాబట్టి ఇక్కడ ఏమవ్వాలి చెప్పండి. ఇక్కడ నుంచి ఎంత దూరం అయితే ఉందో ఇక్కడ నుంచి కూడా అంతే దూరం ఉంటుంది. నో దిస్ విల్ బి అట్ దిస్ ప్లేస్. అంతే కదా. నో ఇక్కడ నుంచి ఇక్కడ మనకి ఫోల్డ్ అయింది, హాఫ్ ఫోల్డ్ అయింది కాబట్టి ఇక్కడ మనకు ఓపెన్ అయినప్పుడు దిస్ ఎంటైర్ థింగ్ విల్ బి ఓపెన్. ఇక్కడ నుంచి ఇక్కడికి మిర్రర్ ఇమేజ్ అయింది, ఇక్కడ నుంచి ఇక్కడికేమో వాటర్ ఇమేజ్ అయింది. నా వాటర్ ఇమేజ్ టెల్ మీ వాట్ ఇస్ యువర్ ఆన్సర్ హియర్. అండ్ ఇన్ ద సేమ్ వే నో ఈ రెండు మనకి ఇక్కడ వస్తాయి. అండ్ అబౌవ్ దిస్ వన్ వీ నీడ్ టు హ్యావ్ అండ్ దీస్ స్క్వేర్స్. అండ్ అగైన్ దిస్ ఈజ్ అట్ దిస్ కార్నర్ అండ్ దిస్ ఈజ్ అట్ దిస్ కార్నర్. Then hence where can you find this one? Choice 4 is the answer. 21st. Then coming to question number 22. Now in this one embedded figure. Now tell me in which one that has been embedded here. No. ఈ ఫిగర్లో ఎక్కడ మనకి ఎంబెడెడ్ అవుతుంది. సెలెక్ట్ ద ఆప్షన్ దట్ ఈజ్ ఎంబెడెడ్ ఇన్ ద గివెన్ ఫిగర్. రొటేషన్ ఈజ్ నాట్ అలౌడ్ క్లియర్లీ గివెన్. యాజ్ రొటేషన్ ఈజ్ నాట్ అలౌడ్ ఇన్ టు దిస్ వన్. అమ్మ చెప్పండి ఎక్కడ వస్తుంది చెప్పండి ఆన్సర్. Third option. Now this is 1 and what is the next one we have? And this is 2, isn't it? And after this and then ila తీసుకోవాలి and that has been placed like this. And so what is your answer? Choice 3. Then 23rd. Now in this question number 23 we need to find out the total number of triangles. 315. సరిపోయిందా 15. అండ్ ఇన్ దిస్ వన్ నా కాంబినేషన్ ఈ కాంబినేషన్ ఒకటి మనం కౌంట్ చేయలేదు చూడండి. ఇది ఒక ట్రయాంగిల్. నౌ దిస్ ఇస్ అండ్ ద ట్రయాంగిల్ దట్ వర్ మిస్డ్ అవుట్. డన్ విత్ దిస్. హెన్స్ 15 ప్లస్ హౌ మెనీ? 15 ప్లస్ 2. నౌ 15 ప్లస్ 2 17, దట్ ఈస్ చాయిస్ 3. దెన్ 24. నౌ ఇన్ దిస్ 24 coriander seeds, spices and cinnamon. As tell me what is your answer here? Cinnamon and coriander seed, these two come under which category? And these two come under spices. Now this is a group of spices and out of which these are coriander seeds and these are cinnamon seeds. Then hence choice to question number 24. Then 25th one. Now in this question number 25 and mirror image to this one. Hence this Q must be present like this. Q is here. Now Q ఎటు పక్క ఉంటుంది? లెఫ్ట్ హ్యాండ్ సైడ్ ఉంది కాబట్టి ఎటు పక్క ఉండాలి. నౌ దిస్ Q మస్ట్ బి ఫ్రమ్ ద రైట్ హ్యాండ్ సైడ్. ఇక్కడ ప్రజెంట్ అవ్వాలి. దెన్ లెఫ్ట్ హ్యాండ్ సైడ్ అండ్ ఇట్ విల్ బి రైట్ హ్యాండ్. దెన్ దిస్ విల్ బి E and this is 1 and this P will become like this and this is 5. Now this is 5 and this is 4, isn't it? And this would be N. And so what is your answer here? N 4 5 P 1 and E and Q. E and Q, and it is given which choice? Choice 3 is the answer.